Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today I want to get to show you how you're gonna see or view or check the life of developer units, color and black and white. So gonna be your magenta, your yellow, your cyan, and the black. Also, it's the same place where you go to see or check your toner. Okay, so what you do when the machine is like this, you go and say home. When you click on home, you're gonna see a screen like this. When you're there, then you got to click on utility. Press there. After that, you can see all those. Then you select check consumable life. Then you go check it. Once you're here, then you can see that cyan is sitting on 42%. Magenta sits on 42. Yellow sits on 42. You can see that these colors is something which tells you all of them, they are all almost the same level, but the black one is what, 86. But the black one should be the one which is low, but I think it was replaced, you understand, because it works more than all others. So then we're gonna go to see your toner. You can see 36, 36, 36. You can see almost they move on the same level, but then you can see the black tone is what is low. You get me? It's on 17%. So as I said, black is used a lot. So if you put in developers and also you put in developing units, and also you put in toners full, by the end of the day you're gonna find that black moves fast, because each color would need a black to be working. So it's very difficult to print any color without getting what, black getting involved. So it's out. Let me go back, click on home, this button, then you click on utility, then click check on consumable life. Click there. This, you're gonna get this. Sometimes you might need to get a copy like this. So what you do, you just say print list. So it's gonna ask you if you want an A4 or you want an A3. Then you just click on A4 if you want to do that, or if you want it on A3, it's up to you. And after, you can say start. When you click on start, you can hear the machine now is moving, getting prepared to print the results. Well, that's it. So that's what we're getting here, but I don't know why it gives me the skip content. I don't know, maybe those pages are okay. Okay, you can see everything is here. So, but don't lie to yourself, because what I'm trying to say is all Minoltas, I think that's the way. This is a Bizhub. It's a, what can I give you? Where's the model number? I'm forgetting in most cases here, down 36 something. Let's see, it's a 364e. Yeah, this is a 364e. Wanted to show it to you, but it was okay. It's no problem, no problem, no problem. Okay, there's a couple of things there you can do when you're here and click on utilities. Some of them, when you go to user settings, display settings, copier settings, you know, all those things, basics and stuff, you can play around and do a lot of things here from that button. So scanner settings, user settings, whatever, function, display, you can see color, density, whatever, all that you can do, or what you need to do in there. Yeah, well, I guess that is the something better for us to learn today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with a couple of friends who I might need this video, or if you did find it useful, please like it, share, comment, and do whatever you want to do with the video anyway. So that was my video for the day. Yeah, we worked on Minolta, but also we do videos on Ryko's, HP, and a couple of other popular brands. Bye bye.